Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Challenger SXT, stock number E1685P. 24,000 miles on this Challenger. Clean auto check history report. Billet silver in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Challenger seats 5, cloth interior. Front seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the second row. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We'll put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission. Manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Challenger has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.